The Asus ROG Phone 9 is a high-performance gaming smartphone designed to deliver an exceptional mobile gaming experience. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, it features an octa-core CPU with 2 high-performance cores clocked at 4.32 GHz and 6 efficiency cores at 3.53 GHz, alongside the Adreno 830 GPU, ensuring outstanding processing power and graphics performance. The device offers substantial memory configurations, including 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and storage options of 256 GB or 512 GB utilizing UFS 4.0 technology, providing ample space and swift data access for gaming and multimedia needs. The 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED display boasts a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, supports a 165 Hz refresh rate, and delivers peak brightness up to 2500 nits, ensuring vibrant visuals and smooth gameplay. The display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, enhancing durability. For photography, the ROG Phone 9 is equipped with a versatile triple camera system, including a 50MP wide-angle lens with gimbal OIS, a 5MP macro lens, and a 13MP ultra-wide lens, while the front-facing camera features a 32MP sensor for high-quality selfies. The device houses a robust 5,800 mAh battery supporting 65W wired charging, 15W wireless charging, and 10W reverse charging, ensuring extended usage and quick power replenishment. Additional features include IP68/IP69K dust and water resistance, dual SIM support, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, and a 3.5mm headphone jack, catering to diverse connectivity needs. The ROG Phone 9 also introduces the Anime Vision feature, utilizing 85 mini LEDs on the back to display customizable patterns and animations, adding a unique interactive element to the device. Running on Android 15 with ROG UI, the phone offers a tailored interface optimized for gaming, and Asus promises up to 2 major Android updates and 5 years of security updates, ensuring longevity and security. The ROG Phone 9 is available in Storm White and Phantom Black color options, and the retail package includes accessories such as a transparent case, a SIM ejector tool, and a USB-C to USB-C cable.